How does file system fragmentation affect performance? Imagine trying to find a book in a library where pages of the same book are scattered all over the shelves. It takes longer to read because you have to go back and forth. That's similar to what happens when a computer's file system becomes fragmented. When you save, delete, or change files over time, the free space on your storage device gets broken into small pieces. Instead of one big, continuous space, the system stores parts of files in different spots. When you open a file, the computer's read-write head in a traditional spinning hard drive has to move to each of these separate locations to gather all the pieces. This extra movement is called seek time. The more fragmented a file is, the more the read-write head has to move, which slows down the process of opening or saving files. It's like trying to read a book where pages are out of order. It just takes longer to get through. Solid-state drives are different because they don't have moving parts. They access data electronically, so fragmentation doesn't slow them down much. In fact, defragmenting a solid-state drive can even cause unnecessary wear and tear. Fragmentation also wastes space. Tiny gaps between file parts can't hold new files or larger pieces of existing files, which means your storage isn't used efficiently. Over time, this can make your storage run out of space faster than expected. To fix this, many people run defragmentation tools. These tools reorganize files so they are stored in one continuous block. This makes opening and saving files faster because the read-write head doesn't have to move around as much. Regular defragmentation keeps traditional hard drives running smoothly and speeds up your computer. In simple terms, fragmentation makes your computer work harder and slower because it has to jump around to find all parts of a file. Reorganizing the data into continuous chunks helps your system run faster and more smoothly. Keeping an eye on fragmentation and running defragmentation when needed can make a big difference in how your computer feels day to day.